Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Easy and effective baby laundry tips for parents. Pre-parent days laundry could easily be reserved for weekends, but post-baby laundry days are almost daily. The baby clothes are almost covered with spit-up, drool, poop, pee, and mealtime mess, and go through anywhere between 2 to 5 outfits per day. All of these can stain the clothes and increase the chances of infections. If you want to curb those pile-ups, these smart laundry hacks will help you out. Baby laundry tips for parents. 1. Pick the right detergent. Find a detergent specially formulated for baby clothes that is scent-free, color-free, and gentle to your baby's delicate skin. 2. Wash new clothes before you make your baby wear them. Wash any new clothes you buy or receive as gifts for your baby, as they may carry infections from the factories or stores they were in. 3. Invest in the right aids. Invest in a mesh bag for socks, bonnets, and other items that are so tiny that they keep going missing. 4. Pick the right fabric softener. Pick specialized baby-friendly fabric softeners to make baby clothes more comfortable. No more scratchy, irritable materials for your little angel. 5. Spot clean immediately. For sudden accidents, spot clean a stain with baby wipes. Treating a stain immediately can prevent it from setting into the cloth fibers and becoming a stubborn stain that will require a lot of scrubbing later. 6. Do not use bleach on the baby's clothes. Bleach is a harsh chemical which can cause skin rashes in babies, so avoid using that. 7. Keep baby's laundry separate from the rest of the family. Adult detergents may contain chemicals that baby's skin cannot handle, so baby's laundry must be separated while washing. Sure, washing them separately may be tiresome, but you'd rather not expose your baby to these chemicals. 8. Follow instructions on the clothes tag. Baby clothes are mostly cotton blends, and fleece and have specific washing instructions, many of which need different washing methods. 9. Spray off crusty stains. Baby poop often dries up to leave an unpleasant crusty mess on clothes. To avoid contaminating the rest of your laundry pile, you must wash it off first. 10. Clean cloth diapers separately. If you've chosen the cloth diapering route, make sure you invest in a diaper bin so that you can clean them all at once. However, use the above tip and spray off or rinse the poop or pee off before tossing it into the diaper bin. With the laundry game sorted out, you will have more time to spend with your baby and catch up on that precious sleep.